Are you looking for the best treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Soul F80 Treadmill. The Soul F80 is designed to elevate your fitness routine with a powerful 3.5 HP motor and a spacious 22x60 running area. This treadmill offers diverse workout options, including manual settings and various fitness programs tailored to your goals, whether you prefer walking, jogging, or sprinting. It features a user-friendly folding design, making it easy to store when not in use, which is perfect for home environments. Additionally, the wide speed range allows you to adjust your workout intensity effortlessly, ensuring you can always challenge yourself as you progress. What we like: powerful 3.5 HP motor, diverse workout programs, space-saving foldable design, wide speed range. Number 2. NordicTrack Commercial 1250. The NordicTrack Treadmill is a high-end treadmill that comes with a 10HD tilt and pivot touchscreen, allowing you to stream IFIT workouts directly to your treadmill. With the integrated 2 speakers or your Bluetooth-enabled headphones, not included, you can follow workouts without disturbing anyone around you. This treadmill also includes a 30-day IFIT family membership, which lets you stream live and on-demand workouts on your equipment with global workouts and studio classes. You can add up to 5 users, and the elite trainers adjust your equipment to match the workout. With 0 to 12 miles per hour speed and -3% to 15% incline, an auto-adjust feature, IFIT trainers change your speed and incline in real time to match the workout. The runner's flex tread deck softens every step, and the 22x60 tread belt provides ample space to run. The active pulse training feature is available for heart rate zone targeting, heart rate monitor sold separately, and the dual auto breeze fans automatically adjust with workout intensity. What we like: high quality touchscreen, global workouts and studio classes, auto adjust feature, runner's flex tread deck, active pulse training available. Number 3. SYTIRY Smart Folding Treadmill. The SYTIRY folding treadmill is designed for a versatile home workout experience. Its 10HD touchscreen allows you to connect to Wi-Fi, stream videos, and enjoy music while you exercise, making your cardio sessions more engaging. The powerful 3.25 HP motor supports speeds up to 9 miles per hour, ensuring you can push your fitness limits. With 3 levels of manual incline and 36 built-in workout programs, you can customize your training to suit your goals. Plus, the advanced damping system provides a comfortable running surface, protecting your joints as you stay active. What we like: HD touchscreen with Wi-Fi, powerful 3.25 HP motor, customizable workout programs, joint-friendly damping system. Number 4. Peloton Treadmill. The Peloton Tread offers an engaging running and walking experience tailored for your fitness goals. With a separate Peloton All-Access membership, you gain entry to thousands of live and on-demand classes, ensuring you always have fresh workouts to choose from. You can easily adjust the speed and incline with user-friendly knobs or opt for auto-incline to follow your instructor's cues seamlessly. Safety is prioritized with a clip-on safety key that halts the machine if detached. Additionally, you can track your progress with real-time metrics displayed on the large touch screen, helping you stay motivated and on target. What we like: extensive class library, easy speed and incline controls, safety features, real-time progress tracking. Number 5. Acezoe 2-in-1 Foldable Treadmill. The Acezoe Foldable Treadmill offers a versatile workout experience with its innovative features. The 12 HIIT programs help you burn calories effectively, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. You can easily track your progress on the 14.9 LED touchscreen, which provides real-time data and a memory function to help you reach your fitness goals. Enjoy your workouts even more by connecting to smart apps and a Bluetooth speaker for an immersive experience. The spacious running area and shock-absorbing design ensure comfort and safety, protecting your joints while you exercise. What we like: 12-hit workout programs, real-time data tracking, Bluetooth speaker for music, spacious, shock-absorbing running area.